Welcome to Global Economic Press, where we deliver trusted global finance and economic news, analysis, and reports, empowering leaders and investors with reliable, timely insights. I'm your host, Alex Brady. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of wealth management with a spotlight on Dominium Capital Financial Advisers and their founder, Dunne, who has been recognized as a finalist for Advisor of the Year at the 2026 Australian Wealth Management Awards. We'll explore the innovative approach that sets Dominium Capital apart and how it reflects broader trends in financial advisory services. Dominium Capital announced today that founder and principal advisor Dunne has been named a finalist for Advisor of the Year, high net worth at the 2026 Australian Wealth Management Awards. The recognition reflects the firm's more than 16 years of advising business owners and executives through an integrated approach that combines commercial lending, business structuring, and private wealth strategy to support long-term financial decision-making. Financial advice is not about managing money, Dunne said. It is about honoring the trust placed in you to protect and expand another person's freedom. That sentence is close to a mission statement for Dominium Capital, and it explains a working style that looks less like traditional wealth management and more like careful design. Before Dunne will talk about lending structures or investment portfolios, he asks clients three questions. What do you want your life to look like? When do you want it? Who do you want to share it with? Everything else, the structuring, the lending, the investment strategy, is downstream of those answers, Dunne said. We start with the person. Once we understand what they're trying to achieve, the technical advice follows. Dunne's career has spanned Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and Spain, including the last 25 years in Australia, advising business owners and executives who, by most external measures, had already succeeded. What he found repeatedly was that success and freedom are not the same thing, that a business can generate wealth while quietly consuming the life it was meant to fund. Dominium Capital was built to close that gap, a single firm working across commercial lending, business structuring, and personal wealth, so that decisions on one side of a client's life stop working against the other. It's a thesis that has now been recognized twice before. Dunne was a finalist at the 2025 Independent Financial Advisers Awards and the City of Melbourne Lord Mayor Small Business Awards, and stands to be recognized a third time at this year's Australian Wealth Management Awards. Dunne shared more about what that pattern means. A finalist listing doesn't validate the advice, he said. The real measure of success will always be the outcomes our clients achieve. Dominium Capital's practice sits across four areas: integrated strategy, treating a client's business and personal finances as one system, not two; commercial and private lending, structuring capital for expansion, acquisition, and succession; multi-generational planning, building wealth structures designed to outlast their creator; independent advice, no referral fees, no product incentives, no house view to sell. None of it is unusual on its own. What Dunne argues is that sequence matters. Technical advice built on the wrong questions is still, eventually, the wrong advice. Dunne is the founder and principal advisor of Dominium Capital and a keynote speaker on financial independence, business succession, and exit readiness. Across 25 years of advisory work in Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, and Spain, he has worked with business owners and executives on the transition from running a business to owning a life, helping them build the financial certainty required to choose, rather than default into, what comes next. Dominium Capital is a Melbourne-based business and private wealth advisory firm serving clients across Sydney, Brisbane, and Australia-wide. The firm operates at the intersection of business and personal wealth creation and finances, working from a single premise: that financial advice should expand a client's freedom to choose, not simply grow a number on a statement. For more information, visit dominiumcapital.com.au. Media and advisory inquiries: Dominium Capital Advisory Team website, dominiumcapital.com.au. Email, enquiries@dominiumcapital.com. AU phone +61 39607 8294. Head office, Level 3, 162, Collins Street, Melbourne, Victoria, the 1,000 Australia.